सीरियसली यार, एक्चुअली यू नो व्हाट, एज फॉर द वाइन फेस्टिवल का कंसर्न, इंडिया में वाइन का इतना ना चलन नहीं है, तो हमने शुरू किया है। तो अभी फेब में हम इससे बड़ा कुछ करेंगे एज फॉर द वाइन्स आर कंसर्न, बिकॉज इंडिया इज़ ऑल अबाउट विस्की एंड बियर। तो हमारी कोशिश है कि हम ना कुछ वाइन में कुछ इंट्रोड्यूस करें, सो दैट एक तो वाइन के दो फ़ायदे बढ़े, एक तो हेल्थ के लिए वेरी गुड, और दूसरी बात है कि लड़कियां वाइन पीती हैं, यू गॉट इट। तो इसलिए वी ऑलवेज वांट कि वाइन इज़ ऑल अबाउट डिग्निटी एंड स्वैग, दैट्स व्हाई।
And more of South is also known for the city of beer. We want the North to be known as the city of wine. तो हम लोगों को ज़्यादा नॉलेज देना चाह रहे हैं कि वाइन कैसे बनता है. It's good for health. And more such events and the bigger ones should come in the near future.
Yeah. फेब में हम कर रहे हैं, इससे might be 10,000 बड़ा, 10,000 होगा तो ज़्यादा हो गया, 10 times बड़ा, कि हम कुछ इससे बड़ा करें. तो बी विद अस एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन. आप लोग आए, आप लोगों ने हमने अप्रिशिएट किया, एंड सबसे बड़ी बात है, आई गिव द क्रेडिट टू मयूर
And Mr. Roy.
एंड मिस्टर रॉय, जिनको
being such a great host.
सीरियसली ये क्रेडिट हम उनको जाते हैं कि उन लोगों ने सारा ऑर्गेनाइज किया. वी जस्ट यू नो हमने सिर्फ कोशिश की है ये सब करें. एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So guys, indeed a great evening over here. We can see a lot of things happening over here. People were there, audience were there. क्या खास हुआ है? Please share something.
I love, seriously, I came first time in Mumbai on nearby beach. I am so sorry for that, but I love it, seriously, and I love this place. It's so amazing, so sexy.
Yeah, the place is really amazing.
Awesome.
We love that.
We got energy because of that only.
I mean, the vibes here are the best vibes ever.
Seriously.
Everything is really managed very well. Everything is really nice and it was really amazing.
And we came from Pune especially, and we are Pune's model. Thank you so much for welcome. Sorry.
One by
Already
one.
see the excitement building up on everyone.
Yeah, we are excited.
About wine, what are the first thing that comes to mind? Any specific memories? We'll start with the lady over there.
Yeah, it's so many calories and cigarettes. Yeah.
Thanksgiving.
Yeah, some wine story of yours that's become a memory now. Please. Anything, any one of you, please.
A lady carrying her wine is always sexy. That's what I can say. Everybody looks at her.
Yeah, exactly.
She's always sexy with the glass. Yeah, and the glass of
And
wine.
especially girls always like wine.
Yeah, we love girly drink. No, yeah, we can't say it's a girly drink, but girls usually prefer it.
Exactly. That's a point. Thank you so much. And we came from Pune and you welcome a lot, seriously. And thank you so much for that.
Thank you.
We are from Pune.
the vineyard again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, please come.
Yes.
Please.
यहाँ पे सब पीछे आ जाओ थोड़ा. यहाँ पे सबने अपनी स्टोरी बोल दी, कुछ खास मेमोरीज जो थी वाइन से रिलेटेड स्पेशली, एंड ऑफ कोर्स द एम्बियंस over it was completely mind blowing. So what do you want to add to it?
So first of all, the thought which came to my mind for creating the vineyard, now it has came true on the ground. So it was a hard work of 1.5 years, and now we have done it. So congratulations to all, and I welcome with an open heart. Thank you so much. And I welcome all these beautiful girls from Pune. And we are announcing that we will be doing the Vineyard Festival in Pune very soon. So it was already on our calendar. Second thing, wine is called a bottled poetry, and now as you can see, the temperature is already high and I'm not able to speak.
Thank you
We
so
have
much.
also heard that something big is also going to come soon, Feb में. और ऐसे क्या पूरा साल भर चलेगा?
जी,
प्लानिंग
सी बेसिकली वाइन को इंडिया में, वाइन मार्केट इंडिया में बहुत उतना कंसिडर नहीं किया जाता जितना इंटरनेशनल कंट्रीज में होता है. बट वाइन इज़ द मोस्ट एलिगेंट एंड द एलीट ड्रिंक, एंड इट्स लव्ड बाय लेडीज ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवेयर. सो नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग टू प्लान इज कि ये जो वाइन का कॉन्सेप्ट है इसको और ज़्यादा प्रमोशन हो इसका, और हर 3 महीने में एक द विनयार्ड, हर 2 महीने में एक द विनयार्ड हम लोग ये 100% करने वाले हैं. और मे बी इस वेन्यू पे फेब में हम लोग इस द विनयार्ड को फिर से करेंगे. सो yes, thank you so much. And thank you to all the beautiful girls. Thank you to Ashlesha and Chaitanya sir for coming down and having such a beautiful show. Thank you.
Very easy because there was Rohit, Mayur and Parag. Yeah. So it can't be easier than this, honestly, yes. And my whole team from Pune, my favorite models in the whole world. Definitely. The easiest task, yeah. Why do you think I'm so chilled out and partying right now?
Yeah, guys having fun.
And I think the expression of the model's faces says it more.
Yeah.
Show ke baad usually they're like, sir, kaisa tha show and all. Today, look at them. Yeah, look at them. And I have to say one thing, seriously, I think everybody more than the entire team of Thai, but the outfits, everybody loved the outfits. Where's Max?
Max is right here.
Max, thank you so much. The outfits were brilliant. So that gives us more power, that gives us more, the models more power to perform, gives me more power to do the whole choreography. And like I said, teamwork here, but I think the main people for me, then again, was the same people, yeah. Rohit, Mayur, Ashlesha, of course, was, yeah.
I'm right next to you.
Makes the fashion.
Yes, of course.
The
Thank
team
you.
which makes the difference.
Team, yeah.
So we are lucky to have such a lovely team with us, and we are looking forward for a lot of.
We had fun.
We had a lot of fun. We're still having fun. Yeah.
Also something big is also coming soon. We have heard that.
Absolutely, but we can't give you the deal.
You get to see it very, very soon.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I think it's such a beautiful concept and such a nice ambience, nice people, lovely wine, lots of experimental in terms of events is always exciting to be a part of, and thank you for making me a part of it.
Any specific memories you have with the wine and something?
कुछ नहीं यार, अभी I'm yet buzzing, so you know memories are going on happening. It's all right.
Yeah. Thanks a lot to Ali. He came and we all had a wonderful time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, yeah. Thank you
And we make it sure that every vineyard event, concluding the finale, Ali is there.
Thank you.
Thank you.